Hi my jellies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique. Today's tutorial is going to be a little bit different. It's not really a makeup tutorial, but I got sent this package in the mail and it was so different that I just kind of wanted to share it with you guys, and I wanted to see if it works or not. This is called, by the way, the Godefroy Permacurl Eyelash Curler Warming Station. That's a mouthful. For me, what they did was they sent me a little letter and then they sent me the instructions like this right here. Then it comes with the warming base and it comes with a little USB cable, and I actually have a USB plug-in on my desk here, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in and let that be warming up. And then it comes with this eyelash curler, which I think that it said that it says you can use your own eyelash curler, but it recommends you using this rubber pad. The instructions say, insert eyelash curler into the warming unit. Be sure eyelash curler snaps securely into place. And the way that I'm seeing from the picture is that it just kind of goes in like so. Okay, this is not really wanting to slide in, but oh, maybe I need to open it. Do I open it? I'm so confused. Oh, okay, I know how it goes now. So there is this little part right here, and then there's like this silver, like that must be the warming part. The warming part. So what you do is you take the rubber part and you put it on there, and then you just wait, does this snap under here? I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, okay, so it just kind of snaps up under there. Okay, it's on there, like it's not coming off. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that back in and let it get warm. When the red light appears, unit is turned on. Light will appear green when optimal temperature has reached, and you can proceed with curling lashes. So it takes about 2 minutes, it says. I do not have any mascara on, and I have like the worst lashes ever. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so that you guys can see that a little better. So I'm just gonna wait the 2 minutes. I'm gonna check in with my group chats on Twitter and see what everybody is up to. What kind of drama is going on the TL today? Oh my god, I knew there would be drama on the TL. There is drama in the beauty community every single day. Okay, this is like the tiniest bit warm, but not really. The little pad on it, the rubber pad, is warm. So I'm going to be careful with this, and I'm going to try to get my lashes without getting any of my skin. Okay, so I was afraid to use it because I was like, oh my gosh, you know, putting heat that close to your eye. But it literally, it's like warm, but it's not like hot. So just be careful and make sure that it's not hot for you before you do this. And oh my gosh, like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at the difference. It really did lift my lashes. It lifted right here more so than right here. I think I need to warm this up again because I think I lost some of the heat when I was just trying to figure it out, because I was afraid to like stick it to my eye or whatever. So I'm gonna let that heat up for just another second, and then I'm gonna do it again. But I'm already impressed because I have like no lashes hardly, and they're so tiny, but you can see this one, like it's like lifted. If you have better lashes than me, then you're really gonna like it. So I put it back on there for another few seconds, and this time I'm not gonna be scared to like get my lashes in it. I can definitely tell a difference. So you would just have to decide if like that's enough for you. I'm actually very impressed with it. I like this. So, and I think it'll help too if the base if it's heated up a little bit more. But I think that when the first time that I used it, I should have like left it on there for a couple of minutes after it turned green, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to do my other eye and we'll see if that one does better. And so I'm just pressing my lashes in there, and I'm just going to leave it on like 30 seconds. Okay, I can definitely definitely tell a difference in that. This is pretty amazing in my opinion, because I feel like on days like when I go to work and I don't wear a lot of makeup and I just want to throw on mascara, I don't like to wear false lashes all the time. So I'm going to throw on some mascara and see what it looks like. I feel like it does make my lashes look fuller. I'm not even lying. And also, I just want to mention that this video is not sponsored. They did send me the product. They never even asked me to do a dedicated video. But I thought that the product was interesting enough that it would be kind of cool to see if it worked or not. So I chose to make it its own little standalone video. But I actually really like it. I feel like I can see my lashes because my lashes are short, as you can see, and then they also just kind of like droop like down, and I feel like this did lift them. And I think that if I even wanted to go back in a couple of times and do it, then I would get even better results. I think this is what the packaging might look like, just so that you guys can see. And then of course this is the actual little contraption with a USB cord. So this gets my approval. I really like it. I think it's cool. I don't know when they're gonna come out with it on the market. I'm gonna DM them and see if they can give me some kind of answer so that I can put it in my description box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this short little video that's kind of different for me because I don't really do reviews on products, but I thought this was a cool thing to do, and I have a couple of more things that I am going to film as well that are going to be like reviews on certain products. So if you guys like this type of video, let me know down in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.